Stop scrolling, because if you're a woman looking to earn online in 2025 without experience, this video might just change your life. Welcome to Earn Smart Nigeria, where I share real, practical, and beginner-friendly ways to make money online, especially for women who want financial freedom without sacrificing their time or peace of mind. If you're new here, be sure you hit that subscribe button like this video, and let's get started. Virtual assistant jobs. Let's start with one of the most flexible and in-demand online jobs for women: virtual assistants. Businesses all over the world need help with scheduling, replying to emails, managing social media, and organizing files. You don't need a degree, just good communication skills and basic computer knowledge. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Remote.co have daily openings for beginners. Pro tip: start with one skill, email management or calendar scheduling, and grow from there. You can earn between $10 to $20 per hour even as a beginner. Next, freelance writing or blogging. If you enjoy writing, freelance content creation is perfect for you. You can write blog posts, social media captions, or product descriptions for clients, and all you need is creativity. Websites like Freelancer, Problogger, or Writer Access pay well for quality content. Or better yet, start your own blog or Medium page. You can monetize it through ads or affiliate links. Pro tip: use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm topics and outlines, but always add your own voice to keep it authentic. Next, social media management. If you're already spending time on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest, why not get paid for it? Many small businesses hire social media managers to create posts, schedule content, and grow their online presence. Tools like Canva and CapCut make it easy to design and edit without professional skills. And yes, you can handle everything remotely, even from your phone. Pro tip: pick one platform to specialize in first, for example, Instagram growth or Pinterest strategy. That focus helps you stand out fast. Next, online tutoring or coaching. If you have teaching skills, use them online. Websites like Preply, Cambly, or Teachable let you teach languages, academics, or even soft skills like time management or communication. You can work from home, choose your hours, and still earn a steady income. Pro tip: record short teaching clips to post on TikTok or YouTube. Shorts, they help attract students and build your credibility. Next, digital product selling. One of the best long-term income sources for women in 2025 is selling digital products. These include printables, templates, digital planners, or ebooks, all things you can create once and sell forever. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip make it simple to list and earn passively. You can even create your designs on Canva for free. No graphic design experience needed. Here's the truth: you don't need to quit your job or have a fancy degree to start earning online. Start small, stay consistent, and use the free tools around you. ChatGPT for ideas, CapCut for video editing, Canva for designs. Every successful woman you see online today started by taking that first step. So, choose one of these 5 jobs, take action this week, and thank yourself later. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Earn Smart Nigeria, and drop a comment below. Which of these online jobs will you start this month? Thanks for watching, and remember, the smarter you earn, the freer you live.